Right, so here we've got the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. It's going to be super clean this, so I'll show you a close up. This is the zoomed out shot. Very nice, there we go. Right, so I'll have a look down at the front end. See on the front nose cone, got a little chip on the sticker there. Just about pick that up. Looks like I scratched down the sticker as well on that side. We've got the all-in suspension down at the front, Brembo brakes. That's that front wheel. There's the front tyre there. Looks like there's plenty of tread on that. Not been ridden hard. And on the right hand side, you see all the engine bay, all the metalwork frame, and then the tank as well. Standard exhaust on this one, it's in good order. That's the main seat, not much room for a pillion seat there, so wouldn't like to ride it on the back. There's the back wheel. Plenty of tread on that as well. Got the tail tidy on there. That's the chain and sprocket and the swing arm. Yeah, all good. Nice and clean. All in steering damper as well. A quick look on the dash, little aftermarket leaves as well. So mileage is showing 9919.